Hello everyone, my name is Mandy and welcome back to the Gloriously Notorious. So today we are going to do another anime mystery box unboxing video. Ta-da! So I'll put the details right next to me. So I don't know how to tell you guys, but like it is like to order a box you have to order several mini boxes. From 15 to 50, multiples of 5. I picked 50 and I thought it's gonna be like a huge freaking box, but there's one item for each mini box, so I thought it would be like a super huge box, but instead I got this. I'll put the timelines for you guys to see, but at the same time I would not put for each item because there's 50 items inside here. So I'll do a quick one, pick, show, react, and a repeat, and I will reveal the price and verdict at the very end of this video. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. I don't have a scissor with me, but I do have my tweezers. I hope it helps. Believe me, y'all, I thought it's gonna be like a huge box because I thought like 50 would, I thought they would like pack separately for each mini boxes, but they don't. Yeah, sorry for the light, for not being too light. I do not put any expectation. As in, I don't care if there's no figure or whatever, because hint, it's quite cheap. I've managed to see a few things right here. Okay, so let's start with the first item. This is one of the biggest item. What is this? Ooh! It's a poster of Levi. Am I right? Yes, it's Levi. I do not watch Attack on Titans, but I know this is Levi. Can you all see? Okay. A heart paper poster. Next we have another poster. Ooh, okay. Haikyuu Hinata Shoyo. Although what's with the extra space, but this is cool, but I wish it was Kageyama or whatever. But I don't mind Hinata also, but this is pretty cool. The cape and all that. Let's move on to the next one. And we got a figure. So we got a figure. I believe this is from Naruto. It's this girl. I can't remember her name. Hinata? Wait. Let me see if this can stand. Yeah! Oh my god. We got a figure. Focus. Yo. Yeah, but we got a figure which is not bad, but not like super great, but like, yeah, we got a figure. We got another figure. Y'all. So we got another figure, y'all. So I guess this is Boruto. I don't know. I don't follow much of Boruto franchise, but yeah, I do know several characters. I know Kakashi, and obviously Sasuke, but yeah. We get basically now 2 of the same franchise. No, yeah, figurines. Yay! Next one we have badges. One Punch Man. Can you all see? Is it too Yeah, the light is killing me. But yeah, One Punch Man, Batch Bean. Next is Fairy Tail. I can't remember the character. I watched Fairy Tail before, but I short-term memory loss. Next we have, what do we have? Let's hefty cuts of something. I don't know. I might just like, I don't know what to do. Okay, should I just like flash some of the things that I have in my hand right now? I guess so. Oh, yo! Sticker. One Piece sticker. Attack on Titan's sticker. Attack on Titan. Okay, you can see Levi. Oh my god. Excuse me. Focus. Focus. But yeah, it's Attack on Titan sticker. We have Haikyuu Karasuno. We have like plenty of stickers which I like. This is another One Piece sticker. Can you? Yeah, One Piece sticker. Haikyuu sticker. Oh my god, bad lighting. Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan or Titans? Titan. Attack on Titan. Oh, this is cool though. Attack on Titan sticker. But this is like a business card thingy. So it's like cool. We have another One Piece sticker, which is pretty cool also. And then, oh, this is bad cutting, y'all. But like Haikyuu, can y'all see there's edges of like other, I guess from here or something. I don't know, but yeah. But it's Kageyama and Hinata, One Piece, Attack on Titan, Eren. No, is this Eren? I don't know. But yeah, Attack on Titan, Titan attacking, Jujutsu Kaisen, Levi, so cute, chibi Levi, Haikyuu, Midoriya, Deku from My Hero Academia. Again, the same sticker. Titan. Attack on Titan. But it's okay. Legion. Attack on Titan. The badge. Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Okay, that's a bit like all everywhere, right? Attack on Titan. I guess the poster or something, but yeah. So that's stickers for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find. Yeah, we are going to find another sticker. Hinata from Haikyuu. Okay, so we basically got about 23 stickers. So now we move on to Polaroids. Polaroids. We got like a shit ton of Polaroids, if y'all can see this. So we'll start with this. Angry Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Okay, so Angry Nezuko. Another Demon Slayer proposal kinda thingy. I don't know. I just know Nezuko. I'm sorry. Another Nezuko, but in a very cute way. Demon Slayer again. Demon Slayer again with Nezuko. Demon Slayer again. Demon Slayer again. Demon Slayer again. Another Demon Slayer. Oh, we have another sticker for One Piece, which is Luffy. Okay. Angry Nezuko again. Oh, wait. Is this Mikasa? Sticker of Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan, right? I'm not. Yeah, Attack on Titan. I guess Mikasa. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah. Demon Slayer again. Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer. Is this a sign that I need to watch Demon Slayer? Probably. Demon Slayer. It just there's 2 of this. Demon Slayer. Yeah, I will watch Demon Slayer if like this is the sign for me. Demon Slayer. I guess this is the one that everyone like it's all over the internet. I guess this one. I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. Haikyuu, Nishinoya. Okay. Kageyama, blushing Kageyama. Ah! Okay. A Demon Slayer, and Demon Slayer. I guess 90%. No, yeah, only 2 of them are Haikyuus, and other than that are all Demon Slayer. So there's 24. Oh wait, there's another sticker of Demon Slayer. So there's 24, 25, 26. No, 24. About 25 Polaroids. The majority of them are Demon Slayer. I don't mind that actually. Pop this as bookmarks or whatever. So the total price is actually 22 ringgit for all of this. I guess it's fair. It's okay. It's actually, I think all of this exceeding the total price, because normally these figurines would cost at least 5 ringgit each. So 2 is already 10 ringgit. So the posters would probably be 2 ringgit each. Yeah, it's already 14. Probably 2 ringgit each. 14, 18. Polaroids this much could cost probably 5 ringgit. And the stickers, like plenty of stickers, even though there's like strays, the stickers can also cost you 5 ringgit, because it's a very high quality, very high quality, although bad cutting at the sides, but it's still nice. The printing is very nice. There's no like bleeds or whatever. Not at loss at all. The items are pretty much more than what I paid for, which is so most of the animes are Demon Slayer, Haikyuu, Attack on Titan, and One Piece. I don't mind because I love One Piece, I love Haikyuu, Naruto and Boruto. Yeah. Also I don't mind because it's pretty cute. The figurines are not bad. There's no like I don't know, weird like same hand side or like feet. So it's fine. It's still cute. The eyes are still okay. There's no like smudging or whatever. Pins are nice. Also different. The sudden different animes, but it's okay. The posters are nice. To be honest, very hard paper. Very nice. Very cool. Especially the Levi one. So yeah, overall, do I recommend? Yes. Totally. By the way, this is the name of the shop. You all can check them out. I will also put the links down in the description box. If you guys want to see me try another box with another price from this same shop, do let me know. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, watch and like other video. Oh yeah, click the bell button for notifications. And there will be another, I guess, 2 boxes, and there's another 2 boxes left for me to try. But don't worry, I have already ordered several other boxes as well. So yeah, this could be a ongoing series. Please follow the anime playlist, whereby I will include all the anime related stuff, including this unboxing series. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.